I guess you can't hear me in this, can you? You can only try, partner. You can only try. Come on! So I'm trying out my microphone that I've got on. I have no idea whether or not it's going to work. But yeah. Let's go! So as we're passing Tony's Tyre and Auto Care, it's around about, I don't know, 7 o'clock right now. Yep, this DJ Ice is pretty much stuck in there. It's not too bad. Got the old watery eyes going on though, whānau. I've got the watery eyes going on. Come on, whānau, let's get up there, let's get up there. Oh yeah. So we're just at the lights now, whānau. Hopefully the sound is going okay now. It's a lot cooler now to be riding anyway, put it that way. Shit, yeah. It's mean. So we'll probably just go into town from here, spin around and go back. And it's all about doing this audio check, and it's still recording on the phone, so that's good. Love it, whānau, I love it. So we're doing around about 60 kilometers an hour. Hopefully you can hear something through the sound. I don't think so though, but no, that's all good. Should be all good. Eyes are watery as the other DJI, the receiver's still handling it. I don't know if I have to move the mic over a bit, not too sure. But oh, this is neat, this is beautiful. Oh, love it. Just love it, partner. Coming up past Rotorua Boys. That was nice, very nice. So we're coming around at 60 kilometers, coming up past Kmart, Mitre 10. Yep, still with your mic on. Hopefully you can hear me talking. I'm not talking any louder now, this is just the way it is. The phone's still in there tight, yeah. No, she's all good, bro. She's all good. Peace, partner. So we're coming up past Farmers right now. Oh, just the weather is so nice. Nice on my back. Shucks, yeah. Awesome. Awesome. is the shit. Da 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 Very cool. Fishing and hunting specialists. Yeah. Go for a minute. You have a look a minute. That's right. That's right. So here we are on Fenton Street, Whanau, near Moore Street at the intersection. Just loving it. There's one of my favourite restaurants over there. The Amazing Thai. That's right, Whanau. Nice and cool. Now's the time to be riding. Oh yeah. That's right, Father. Here we are. Just gonna roll it on home. There we go. This is the ship, Father. Take a look at the back. How I can't spin this camera, but I suppose this fluffy looks pretty stupid, but I tell you what, man, it does the trick. It sure does. And yeah, so we're heading back home now. Nice day for it. I just had one bug go into my face, but it's all good. So yeah, looking forward to getting the car and looking forward to getting the bike in next Monday for it to get a service. Other than that, nah, man, this bike is hammering. It's hammering. Oh yeah. So we're coming up past Guido right now. Might even have to put that thing over here, I reckon. Not too sure, or put it on this side, eh? So there, yeah, because I'm talking away from it, eh? Okay, we'll do a swap on it, eh?